I'm going to do a cardiac assessment on you and listen to your heart. I'm going to check out your aorta, the pulmonary, your Erb's point, your tricuspid, and your mitral. All sounds normal with no murmurs. Now I'm going to check some of your pulses. I'm going to check your carotid, they're both equal. I'm going to check your brachial, your radial pulses. They're both normal and bounding. Now I'm going to check your capillary refill. Perfect. Nails are pink in color. Capillary refill filled up in less than 3 seconds. Now I'm going to check for edema and your pedal pulses. No pitting edema. And your pedal pulses are normal. There's no swelling in your arms or legs.